What's up, legends? Fire! Welcome back to Channel V8X, where power, performance, and pure automotive madness come together. If you love aggressive SUVs, insane road presence, and American muscle turned electric, or extreme, then buckle up, because this is something next level. Today, we're looking at the 2026 GMC Hummer 4x4 in glossy jet black, and let me tell you right now, this is not a normal SUV. The moment you see it, the Hummer doesn't ask for attention. It commands it. Front view praise. Start with the front view, and wow, this thing looks like a rolling fortress. That bold grille, those razor-sharp LED headlights, and the massive hood give the 2026 Hummer a face that screams dominance. In black, it looks even more menacing, like it owns the road before the engine, or motors, even wake up. Side view praise. Now slide over to the side profile, and this is where the Hummer shows its true scale. The wide body, huge off-road tires, and squared-off stance make it feel unstoppable. This angle perfectly balances brute strength with modern luxury. Every line looks intentional, aggressive, and premium. Back view praise. From the rear view, the Hummer stays bold. That spare wheel, the Hummer branding, and the glowing LED taillights give it a powerful exit presence. Even when it's driving away, this SUV makes sure you remember it. Interior/dashboard praise. Step inside, and the dashboard view flips the story from raw power to high-tech luxury. Digital displays, a massive touchscreen, premium materials, and a cockpit that feels more like a command center than a cabin. This is where toughness meets technology. Engine view praise. Now let's talk engine view, or powertrain. Everything here is built for performance, durability, and extreme capability. This Hummer isn't about looking tough, it's engineered to be tough. Drone plus highway plus night praise plus price. From a drone view, the 2026 GMC Hummer 4x4 looks absolutely massive, like a king moving through its territory. On the highway, it glides with authority, turning heads at speed while staying planted and confident. And in a night shot, with city lights reflecting off that black paint and LEDs glowing, it looks straight up cinematic. All this power, all this presence, and the price? The 2026 GMC Hummer 4x4 starts around the $95,000 to $105,000 range, depending on trim and options. Not cheap, but for this level of design, technology, and dominance, it's a statement purchase. Closing, channel call. So tell me, would you take the 2026 GMC Hummer 4x4 in black, or is this beast just too wild for your garage? If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe, and stay locked to Channel V8X. Because we don't just show cars here. We show attitude, power, and the future of driving. See you in the next one. This is Channel V8X, signing out. Rocket fire.